Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I'm going to show you a very quick texture paste that you can make at home. And it's very simple, very easy, and you probably have everything at home already. So let's get to getting. So I just have a bowl, and I'm going to take the pure old baking soda. And I'm just going to I'm not going to worry about it too much because I just want to show you guys. You can make a real big one. That's what we're going to put in there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of white school glue or Mod Podge. You use what you have. So if you have white school glue, use that. If you have Mod Podge or something to that effect, use that. I'm just going to do a dribble, drabble, dribble. Probably maybe like 1/8 of a cup. But you can play with this. You don't want too much. And what we're going to do is just stir it. Just so it kind of gets in there a little bit. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of white acrylic paint. You can use whatever kind you have. You can just a little bit so we have it colored. Now, let's say you want it red or pink or something like that. I'll add a little bit of red in there. Okay, just so you give it color. You don't have to, but in this case I will. Okay. Almost like powdered sugar, huh? All right. So now what you will do is take some hot water. Now I put hot water in here just so I had it to do this, but I like to do hot. And you're going to add, you see how I just added that little bit? And now what we're going to do, now you see I added way too much water. Is it a big deal? No. But I did. But you can see how it's getting thick. So we'll stir that up. But you see the nice color we have? So I'm going to put this water away because I don't need any more of it and it'll end up all over me. So I just go in and I'll just do a little bit more. Because you want it to be a little thick. Yeah, there you go. There you go. And to have some texture. And you see how that just came together? Yeah, now I'm going to add a little bit more Mod Podge just to, but you can see, look, and scrape, like really get in there on the bottom of your bowl. But I mean, that's good texture paste right there, baby. So just a little bit more. Boop, 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 boop. Just to help it adhere. Again, whatever you're using. Yeah, okay. And look, you could put more paste in, you can put more whatever you want, just so you get the consistency that you want. And what I like to do is take it and I will, you can hear it, I'll use it on there, but you know what, I want it a little thicker. This is how I do it. I just play back and forth till you get the texture you want. I mean, you could get the baking soda at your dollar store if you don't have it. So here we go, here we go. And you can see, look at that. Now that is texture paste. But like I said, everybody likes it differently, so, you know, you do you. But I'm going to leave it like that. And then when I take it out, look at that. You got some nice texture paste there. Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you. I'm going to take this is just a stencil. This is from Laura DIY. Where's my package? I love these. Peel and stick stencils. They're from Plaid. They are fantastic. And I'm going to lay it down. Lay it down, baby. And I'm going in. And I'm just going to put it down. And I'm going to push it there. Push it here. You know, just like you normally would. Push it over everything. Make sure everything's covered. You could scrape it a little bit if you want, you know, to get more. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to lift it up. Ooh, what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Now, you know, you can see here I didn't smooth it out as much as I wanted it, or it could be, but I'm not going to play with that. I'm going to just kind of go in like so. And then I'm going to scrape this off. Now, you want to scrape this off. I'm not a stencil cleaner, but when I use texture paste and all, I like to scrape off. because if I use this with paint or whatever, I don't necessarily want it to change what the stencil is when it's something like this. When it's more, oh, look at that. When it is more, you know, I'm using it for texture rather than a certain picture, then I like to, oh, I just love to squish things around. All right, I gotta quit being OCD here. Okay, so you see what I'm saying. And then I would wipe it with a baby wipe or put it in water. I'm just gonna put it in here for a minute while I do this so it doesn't dry, because I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so I got my Humera sitting here. I'm a mess today. It's all right. So here's what you want to do. You want to make sure you put this in a tight container. So let's say you have, like, maybe you finished your pickle jar, or you finished your ricotta, you know what I mean? Something like that, sour cream or whatever. I like to put this in there and then put a piece of plastic wrap on top and kind of push it down like you would for guacamole, and then put the cat lid on, and this will work. This will stay for a while. Now you're not going to have it for a year, but I mean, this is quite a bit, so I'm going to be using this quite a bit. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so you want to leave this dry. Now, can you air dry it? Can you air dry it? Obviously, it's very thick, but I will try to show you. I mean, how exciting is this that you can do these things at home? Now, you can leave this completely white and just pull out parts, like pull out a piece of it, mix it with paint, and then use it, like, you know. And you can still paint this. You can still change the color if you want. Oh, I love using this for hair, and oh, so much. I love the way that little horn came out. Now remember, texture paste is just that. It is texture paste. It's going to crack. It's going to do all kinds of fun things. But when you paint over it, or you add it to mixed media, you just get delicious deliciousness. So, let me just lift it up. Yeah, and it's drying. But look. Now you can see here it's getting a little puffy because I held the dryer on it a little too long. No big deal. But look. And this is a different kind of texture you could do as well. Use it for sand, or the sky, or grass, or, you know, mud. I don't know, whatever you want. But look how cute. Look how cute. And once it's dry, if you're like, I don't dig that color, paint over it. It'll work real good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to probably cut it out, and you might see me use it in another piece of art. You never know. But think, you can make that into like something into an ATC card, or, you know, you could put it down and stamp in it and let it dry. I mean, it's endless what you could do with this. So, I hope you enjoyed my homemade texture paste. And if you do it, let me know. I'd love to see what you guys do with it. And like I said, I have some more little tips coming up. They'll be quick tips. Yeah, for you guys just starting out, I wanna share. So I love you guys as always. Please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And you guys are the best. I love you. You rock. Keep watching all my videos. I love, love, love when you guys leave me comments and they're like, oh, I'm watching all your videos. I love it. I love it. It makes me smile. It makes me feel good. And let me tell you, today is Humera Day, and it is not my favorite day. So that's why I'm sitting here and I'm waiting. Progress, not perfection. And I just love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.